Basically, now if you observe something, we created two record types, which is personal insurance and corporate insurance. Upon clicking new now, we're supposed to have an option. All right, so I'm going to come here now. We are on insurance. Okay, so coming to my page layout. Okay, page layout assignments. All right, yeah. Okay, so instead of neutrally edit assignments to change whatever we need to change, so we just come to this system administrator down here and click on it. So it's going to take us into the profile, right? So we're going to know there's something you're looking for here. Win, there'll be assignments. Okay, look at this. Custom field level security, right? So this is exactly what we are looking for. So these are all the our custom objects that we've created so far, right? Yeah, so click on this view and you see what I'm talking about now. Oh, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here. Sorry, it's something I'm looking for. Let me check well again. Not this one. Not this. It's not tab. Okay, okay. Custom record type settings. Thank you. Sorry. So this is exactly custom record type settings. So let's click on edit. Exactly. So now look at this. You see these selected record types. That is the only, no matter the settings we do, no matter the assignment, it's only personal insurance that will keep coming because this was has some way somehow fix this on our profile. So in case you experience that kind of stuff on your own end to just come to this record type settings, okay, on your profile and move in corporate insurance down here, then click save. Done. So we're now going to go back to that place to reassign. We are going back to our page layout. So insurance. Yeah, it's coming. We can either go from page layout or record types. So let's go through the record types. Okay. Can you see page layout assignment? We are going back to the same place. So click on edit assignments. So now we want to make the system administrator such that you can see both. Okay. I'm going to click on this one and edit this to one of the other layouts. That's master. Then corporate will remain corporate. Let's edit that too. Do you get what I'm doing? I clicked on it, then I come up here to select the layout I want to give it, corporate insurance. So now we have, sorry, layout one and layout two on the master, corporate insurance on corporate, and personal on personal. So now we're going to save. Okay. Having done that, let's now go to our user end to confirm if that has been corrected. That is this. I'm going to close this, refresh this page. Okay. So let's click on new. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Exactly. So it's back. So all I simply did was to refresh my page. It didn't come in time. All right. So now we can choose between personal and corporate. So let's create one for personal first. Next. So let's give it a name. Let's call it Barack. Barack Samuel. Anything. Policy number. Policy holder name. Since you're doing personal insurance, right? So uh, let's use the same name. Barack Samuel. Samuel. Insurance type. Let's assume he's trying to insure his house. Coverage amount. Blah 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 blah. Effective date. Let's pick today's date. Expiration date. Oops. Let's say get that by 2028 kind of stuff. Okay. Get, 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 get. Beneficiary, someone else. Let's say Barack John. Barack John, right? Past cases raised. So we used a relationship. We used lookup relationship for that, right? Next of kin. Oh, beneficiary. That's the actual owner. Sorry. Oh, what's this? Barack Samuel. The next of kin will be Barack John. Barack John. Okay. Payment plan. Annually. Let's say that annual. Account officer. We are using a lookup also, so let's use this. Process. Let's assume it's still in. Let's just say KYC stage. Okay. Save. I'm gonna see something here. I'm gonna see something here. Oh, we're not getting what we want here. Anyways, hmm, uh, let's go ahead to create one other one for corporates, right? We'll get back to that. So let's say TG and Co. CG and Co. Let's save all of this one. insurance type. Let's say they want to insure their car, coverage amount, effective day, today, expiration day. They are still the beneficiary. So I'm going to leave all of that. Since it's not a necessary something, payments. Let's assume they will pay also pay annually. There's something I want us to pay attention to here. This process, on the other side we have ID verification, but here we have business verification, right? So click on save. Okay. So I haven't done that.